Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free fruits and free belly on the Bloxfruit here. Now, this is the first option here to have a fruit freely to get it from an ally first and foremost. And the when it comes to the belly, you just go ahead and go through quests. You don't really need to buy it, although there's options where you could just purchase it with your cash, but with the right amount of effort, you could just go ahead and look for boxes, look for chests like these, and amp up your stack of belly cash. So that's all you have to do, and you can just find them freely everywhere instead of like actually purchasing and actually having to pay. Okay, so that's how quick and simple and easy it is. So I hope this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.